front door. I wanted to make a really sharp looking paint job, but I don't want people to look at it and go, oh, that's
no, you're perfect right now.
I need it more than she does.
That's probably a big part somewhere. He was behind your trailer. Come on, get
There.
in. Get in. Go. Get in. Let's go, Chop. Let's go, Chop. He's in your house.
Is he?
Yes. Get over here.
Yeah, got the bug back. These are the lights that he put on the front. They are bright, let me tell you. Woo, bright, bright, bright. New carpet kit. He redid all the wiring. Put in a new firewall back there. That black thing, that's a firewall. New starter, redid the carburetor, points, plugs, changed the oil, new gas tank. Of course, you saw the hitch, and he wired up this for me so that I can hook the bed bug up to it. That thing. What else did he do? New clutch cable. New cigarette lighter so that I'd be able to charge stuff when I'm driving. Okay, here she is. Got new carpet. Got new carpet back there. Probably can't see it very well. Got a new headliner. Brand new. It's so pretty. And he put in a new cigarette lighter so that I'd be able to charge things when I'm on the road. Put in new brakes, new shocks, new something to shift it with. I don't know what it's all called, but it's all new. And it starts up really good. It drives really, the steering wheel seems to be really, really tight. I was going to call him and ask him about that. I hooked up the bed bug to it, or the bed bug. That's the pull trailer, motorcycle trailer that I bought to pull behind the bug. Hooked it up to it yesterday, pulled it around, put it in the shed because I'm getting ready to go on a trip. And it pulled really good. I couldn't even tell there was a trailer back there. So that's wonderful. What else is happening? I think that's probably about it. I got lots to edit on this card. I don't know. I don't like editing, but no, I don't have the gate in back there yet. I don't know what my yard guy's doing. He started out saying that back here on this fence line, he had grand plans of putting in a rolling gate to roll back and forth, so I could just pull straight. Let me show you. Pull straight in with my trailer and all the way to the back. And then when I get ready to go somewhere, just pull out the alley. So he was going to put a rolling gate in, which was a great idea, I thought. Then he's decided that he would put a fence gate in, you know, the swinging gate. I wasn't thrilled about it, but okay. And then he said, well, maybe I'll just put a gate in there that you can just walk through. Well, that doesn't do me any good. I want to be able to pull in my driveway, go straight back, because my hookups are back there. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Anyway, I'm going to try and get these videos updated. I know I've probably got a good 3, maybe 4 on this card. So I think that's what I'll do for the rest of the day while I'm waiting for help to get the high-low brakes fixed, the tow bar on, and something else I can't remember. Oh, the airbag on my truck. So that's it for today. I'm going to go in and take a shower, cool off a little bit, and probably won't see you again until I start out on my trip on Wednesday. So take care, guys. Bye.